If you give a second grader a cookie, a collaboration between Miss Nipper's 7th graders and Miss Reed's 2nd graders.
If you give Sosaa a cookie,
Written by Kaelin and illustrated by
Sosaa Taylor. If you give Sosaa a cookie, you want bubblegum ice cream. If he eats the ice cream and cookie, you feel funny. When he feels funny, he will go to his room. While he's in his room, he becomes bored. Once he's bored, he plays with his hand for a chocolate. When he plays with chocolate might get sleepy. Sosaa then can't play with chocolate, and this time Sosaa can't play with chocolate. He'll play Crystal and Baby. When he plays, he'll get tired. When he's tired, he'll go to sleep. When he wakes up, he'll feel better.
This book was a collaboration between Netzeberg's 7th graders and 2nd graders. About the illustrator.
Sosaa Taylor likes to eat tomatoes. Sosaa Hamster's name is Chocolate. Chocolate is a girl. She eats apples and daisies and a melon. His brother names are Giovanni and Tail.